Hello everybody, and as promised, Go Ultra, brand new into stock, brand new into the country actually. Just to show you what they've changed on it. At the front you've got the nice Delta handlebar, which people like, because you can put your hand on the back, finger forward, and then that way if you've got any arthritis or things like that, your arms are supported, and that's because of the new shape of it. It's very easy to pull. Very quickly take that off. They've also put a new bracket on the front here, which after being used 2 or 3 times, that will become, it's very easy to locate, and it's also very easy to come off. So that's good. So that's going to stay firm enough to stay on, but you know, good to come off. Right, going down to the bottom of the scooter, one thing that they have done that improves it massively is they've actually changed the shape from here to here. It's much flatter, so although you've still got enough room for your wheels to turn and all the rest of it, you've actually got a really good flat area for your feet. So when you sat on it, like so, as you can see, you can get your feet right forward. I mean, I'm 6'2", and there's plenty of room there for me on the scooter. Okay, so what else have they changed? Got the nice padded comfort seat, as always. That's one of their, they've got to do 2 different types of seat now. They do one with a web back, but this is the nice padded one. Anything else at the back different? Can't particularly see anything. So just have a quick look around with the camera. Got the nice big wheels, still got plenty of ground clearance. You're gonna get a good 8 to 9, maybe 10 miles out of this one with the 1212s on. If you go over here, you can see this one's nice and compact for the car. We undo here, lift it up, just lock that back in again. As we said about the new basket, slide on very, very, very nicely those. This comes over the back. The batteries do come off, like so you can take them into the house and charge them and leave the scooter in the car, motorhome or wherever. I'll pop that back on there. Goes together as easy as that. Remember, it all started with Pride, the take apart thing, so the quality of that is absolutely superb. And just pop your seat on, like so. Down it goes and in, and you're ready for the off. So they're now in stock. It's one of our lesser price ranges, but as you can see, we've got these 2 here, some more there, and some more came into the Northallerton shop as well. So plenty to choose from, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.